Good morning. I am Romel Ramirez Berdal. I am the Municipal Councilor of Caibiran, Biliran. I am the proponent of resolution number 21 of series 2012, a resolution supporting and endorsing the geothermal exploration project and activity of Barangay Kabibian and Barangay Villa Vicinta, Municipality of Caibiran. So, the resolution, whereas the BGI duly organized cooperation which will conduct geothermal exploration, drilling and activity in Barangay Kabibian and Barangay Villa Vicinta of the Municipality of Caibiran in order to use renewable energy resources of the Municipality of Caibiran in the province of Biliran. Whereas the properties of the land affected by the geothermal project are forest land owned by the Municipality of Caibiran. Whereas the community of the people of Barangay Kabibian and Villa Vicinta is greatly benefit from the said project in terms of employment, livelihood, and development in the area. Whereas the Biliran Geothermal Incorporated BGI shall first get the skilled and semi-skilled laborers in the Barangay Kabibian and Villa Vicinta or within the Municipality of Caibiran. Whereas the Biliran Geothermal Incorporated will only drill 3 exploration wells in Barangay Villa Vicinta and Barangay Kabibian in this municipality. Whereas the Biliran Geothermal Incorporated shall ensure proper management of the environment and protection of the forest and affected area. Whereas, should any damage arise from the activity of the Biliran Geothermal Incorporated, this shall be liable in accordance with applicable laws. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it hereby resolved to support and endorse the geothermal exploration project and activity in Barangay Kabibian and Barangay Villa Vicinta and Municipality of Caibiran. Resolved further, the furnished copy is resolved all concerned NGC. Adopted this 5th day of December 2012 on motion of Honorable Romel Berdal, seconded by Councilor Mario Villasin and Honorable Salvador Rosaban. So, this is the resolution in December 5, 2012. So, the Secretary what na-sign actually, klaro? Okay, pwede. So, in favor, Mario Villasin, Romel Berdal, Nestorio Rosario, the ABC President, Salvador Rosaban, and Judge Cyril. So, not in favor, Marilyn Hoboco, Edwin Pantas, Jerry Colantro, Lorna Ferguson, and Nari Cresgo. So, there is a tie of the break. So, the tie of the break in favor is the presiding officer. So, Honorable Gracia Baribi, who will break the tie. So, understood that this resolution was approved by the member of the council. The question is, the minutes of the previous session, the special session, it says that Honorable Rosaupan, he says that he is not no comments about the nominal voting.
Yes.
But she gave us the Honorable Salvador, no comments. So, Judge Cyril, may comments siya. And then, Madam Chairman says that the chair breaks the tie. She manifested that she is yes. Okay. Adi na namon Vice Mayor. Klaro, Sir Marlon. At amon didihan amon minutes and regular special session, adi nag-certify diya correctness of Marilyn Almen Sangguniang Bayan members. So, all members of the Sangguniang was signed. It after adi manifested break the tie. So, kaya naman ani rin question pa ini. tungod lahan siring ni Honorable Rosaupan na no comment siya. But she signed the resolution. Kaya naman nga bugot ang tayo pag-sign. Kaya nira siring nga abstain. No, di niya abstain. Kaya before hanamon signing didi, before hanamon didi hanamon nominal voting, they voted at 3 were assist. O not in favor 5. Favor 5. So the chairman will break the tie. So kaya naman masiring lagi ako nira Honorable Rosaupan kanya no comments. No, ato in abstain niya nga they are voting. So that's all I can say. So the Vice Mayor will the one to answer the scandalous ito nga resolution.
Other minutes, Vice.